Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the Stylogram podcast yet again. Today we have the part 2 of the Elton Fernandez interview. Get ready to be rolling on the floor with laughter as we discuss tips and tricks on how to look glamorous through the season with ace makeup artist Elton Fernandez. Hi guys, we're here with Elton Fernandez and he's going to give us some really fun tips and tricks. So this is our section, Elton, where we give our listeners, like value add, things that you can tell them about your profession. Mm-hmm. But before that, I want you to tell us a fashion faux pas that you've made or that you've seen recently.
I'd say a fashion, I've made so many.
Really?
Yeah,
You've made
not in the
faux
recent
pas.
times perhaps, but because you just learn how to work it.
Huh.
But I would say I used to wear off-white with white, or I used to wear brown and black together without matching my belt with my shoes, or not.
Okay.
It's just not about matching. It can be. See, now I understand that everything's an extension of personality.
Right.
Some people can wear any damn thing, and it sits right.
Yeah.
But when I was so much more small-minded than I am now, so nothing sat right. I remember going to a shop and attempting to get sunglasses for myself in college, and I must have tried about 30 pairs. And the guy said to me, "Kya kare aapka face hai, aisa kuch suit nahi hota hai."
What?
So, and it
bizarre.
should nothing suit me. But today, if I try anything, out of 30, 20 will suit me.
But how?
Or 25.
How did that change happen?
Because you can just wear better things. If that you said, by expanding the mind, what changes? Everything changes.
When you get comfortable with your skin,
with yourself,
I always feel like it doesn't matter whether others feel it doesn't look good, as long as you know it's looking good.
Versions of yourself.
And as long as you know you're looking good, you'll exude that, and then people think you're looking really good, as long as you're confident about it.
Yeah.
And even if you're wearing the latest thing and looking great and you don't feel great, it just doesn't
Some people
work.
just look great in a classic style.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so since it's the wedding season, give us 3 pieces of advice for a bride.
1, don't waste your money.
On what? Like generally in life,
on buying
don't
a lot
waste
of
your
makeup.
money.
On everything, yeah. Even on the husband for that matter. But I would say don't waste your money on a lot of beauty products, buying things, getting facials, gold facial, this, that, and
Why?
just follow your regular routine, yeah.
Really?
Take less stress,
Drink
get laid
water.
more often, because that's the great natural way of,
Nourished skin.
Yeah, and getting rid of stress.
Yeah.
Which is why our grandparents had so many kids.
And it looks so good.
And look so good.
Yeah.
So I'd say spend less money on all of these
So that's what
things.
you would tell a bride. You know what the moms
Yeah,
are
I do
thinking
tell
right
them
now.
that.
They're listening to this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's advice 1.
Advice number 1. Then tip number 2 would be research your makeup artist.
Okay.
And not stupid questions like send me a close-up of a bride you have done. All of these questions make no sense because understand an aesthetic. You're hiring someone's aesthetic. You're not just hiring the hand and,
Yeah.
Or,
and everyone's different in that sense.
yeah, and I mean, some people have the intelligence to work, everything.
Yeah.
And give you whatever you need, what's best for your day and occasion, and get somebody that can understand your ambience, your decor,
Right.
fit everything into place. If you're going to be some glamorous bride with wearing feathers, and I mean if you've got a Falguni and Shane kind of glamorous gown, but you're having a beach wedding outdoors, you don't know what to expect. I mean, there's going to be wind and breeze
contradicting and doesn't work then. Yeah.
Put some infuse soul into your wedding. That's all. So
and
I
lastly?
like that. And I think lastly, just feel comfortable and don't worry about what other people will think of your makeup and how you look, and if you're happy, that's all that matters. You shouldn't have to care about your auntie wanting you to be fairer and your mummy wanting brighter cheeks. And
I personally hate that juda that all the brides have to wear.
no, I don't mind a juda at all. I love a juda.
I
love
feel like
a
it
bun.
looks really ugly, huh?
It's how
Unless
they do
it's
it.
done well.
Yeah, it's how they do it. And tomorrow's trend will perhaps be something that we don't like today.
Yeah.
It's all a conversation,
Yeah.
Even beauty and trend and everything. So
Absolutely.
it's just to converse back.
Yeah.
And what you say.
2 big trends that you're loving right now?
I'm loving the extended winged eyeliner
Okay.
because I'm all for dramatic eyes.
Yeah.
I love a winged line. It's very strong. And I'm loving these glitter lips that Pat McGrath has come out with, these beautiful glitter lips.
I think even Dolce &
It's
Gabbana
everywhere.
has done
It's
them,
everywhere,
no?
yeah. So
But like, so describe
has.
them. So they're like hardcore glitter lips.
yeah, it's
And then,
almost
wait,
like
did you
why
see
the hell
this?
would
So
I walk
like
out with
men are like, they have glitter beards and
beards?
stuff.
Yeah, I mean,
So
it's
cool. Mustaches
it's
and
lovely.
like hair.
It's very far
Especially
out
for
for
like the
me.
festive season. I think it's great for Christmas and all.
Have you ever tried washing glitter out of hair?
No.
I don't know why someone would put themselves through it.
But you
Unless
must
you're
be
being
getting
paid a lot of money.
specific glitter, no, for stuff like this.
But it's still glitter and it's still tiny particles and it still
yeah.
needs to be brushed out and washed out.
Yeah.
And it still will be there next Holi.
Huh. Really?
Yeah. I mean, you know how it is. If you have glitter in your scalp, you're stuck with it for a good week.
Oh my gosh.
So I wouldn't put myself through it unless
Yeah.
I was being paid for a shoot.
So glitter lips, how do they work? I mean, I looked at them and then
No,
I mean, you
that's the
can't eat or
thing.
drink basically at a party.
No, you can. Where
How?
Pat McGrath has, that's why she's calling it Pat's Lab.
Yeah.
They have used technique, innovation, and science to make a product that fits like a gloss, sits like a paint, and feels like skin. So I can't.
And then when you wear these glitter lips, what do you think? The other, like the eyes and stuff, can't be dramatic, right?
Why not? Again, it's all an extension of personality.
But what would you recommend?
Some people can pull off everything.
Really? Wouldn't it get too much?
No,
No?
no. I mean,
Oh.
no rules.
Oh, really? That's
Only
kind of like my
guidelines.
thumb rule that I follow. Okay. And then the other thing, since you do so many ad shoots, you know, you see these women with like the most gorgeous hair, like glossy hair.
Yes.
And like I always wonder, it's obviously not natural, but what's like a great like tip to like get glossy hair in a place like India, in a place like Bombay, which is so humid and like your hair is constantly getting frizzy?
See, the answer to that would be an honest answer for readers, for listeners, would be if you think that anything about advertising is achievable, you're
It's not.
already fooling yourself. So the
And
premise
once-
of the argument then is shaky because advertising isn't. It's all.
I once spoke to a model who did a
unnatural.
shoot for a shampoo, and she said that they didn't even put the shampoo on her hair. They put something else to make it glossy.
Exactly.
And she said she went bald in one patch of
God.
her head because of it. So it's clearly not. But like, okay, so give us some like, you know, home remedies that people can use and you might have.
No, there are definite. I mean, like for me, my balanced scalp shampoo, conditioner, and shampoo from Wella works.
Okay.
But for me,
Okay.
but it doesn't have to work for somebody else. you
Yeah.
know? It's very subjective. Some
Oh,
people
so
will.
it's based
Some
on your
people like
hair,
Head
it's
and
based on your
Shoulders. I mean, that's such a strong ass shampoo. You know, it's like
Yeah.
for me, I'll end up
Losing hair.
with the Head and Shoulders. So if I like light, like this balanced scalp. What it does is it just controls the pH balance of your scalp, and it's like a baby shampoo, halka pulka. So
Okay.
that's what I
And
need.
what about white hair?
I love. What about it?
I mean,
I have so much.
no, how do you deal with it? I mean,
Live
women,
and
it
enjoy
doesn't
it.
necessarily like, like one in the middle of your scalp looks really bad.
Why?
No.
Why?
it
Who
looks-
says that it looks bad?
Okay, but now
Why
tell us
should it
how
have
to deal
look
with
bad?
it if you want to cover it up.
If you want to cover it up, then hair dye or mascara.
Mascara, I know. That's
Yeah.
the
But I say you've earned it.
really.
So whatever stress you're going through, you've earned it. So which is why I have alopecia. I had a big patch in my beard for 3 years over here.
Oh, really?
And everybody seemed to have a problem with it but me. They would, how can that be your conversation with somebody you just meet? You're like, oh, what's that? You're not seeing a doctor. I know somebody can fix it. I'm not looking for a fix.
Yeah.
I've earned it.
Wow. Nice.
So that's
and
white
a
hair.
tip to cover up is it in the morning? Especially if it's like a big day.
I mean, you have to have concealer
Okay. So you what
Just
kind of concealer?
concealer.
Just like a foundation.
or a thick foundation.
Yeah.
Anything that you can just pat on and leave. But I have fairly okay skin, so I get zits and stuff, and I just use toothpaste overnight.
Does it really work?
It works. Some
Like Colgate
toothpaste burn the
toothpaste.
skin. See,
Like
I
white-
wouldn't
that
go with
white
some
one.
serious thing. I would go with like my toothpaste is, you'll laugh. I use
Jari
Miswak.
booty.
Miswak. You'll laugh. And I have Eco
Oh my God.
Vajradanti cream also.
Do you use that? Like stick with it also.
Because I like Ayurveda and all of this, right? So I like.
Tell me you don't
Miswak.
use that
no
brown stick.
I use a toothbrush which is very cute from Muji. Muji is this lovely store
Yeah.
it's a Japanese minimalism, and the brush
It's
is
open in
half
Bombay
the
now,
size.
you know
exactly
that.
from
Yeah.
there. It's half the size of a normal toothbrush.
Oh.
So it accesses all those little points, and once you get used to that tiny thing in your mouth, you just are so
really?
happy.
I'm going to check that out.
I mean, I'm talking about toothbrushes, not otherwise.
So then you put that toothpaste and then hopefully it'll settle, and if it doesn't, then you put the foundation.
Yes, none of
And
you
that's
got
the
my
only thing.
innuendo there.
No, I didn't
I said
actually.
I'm talking about the toothbrush, nothing else.
Oh,
Otherwise,
now I get
everybody
it.
wants a big mouthful.
I was too preoccupied on how to cover that zit. Anyways, and tell us like a quick trip on like how do you make your face look slimmer?
Contouring is, I love contouring.
It's really
now, but
hard
that's
though,
a real
contouring.
knack.
Yeah,
It is
like
a
I
knack.
feel like you need to know how to do it. Otherwise, you
Yeah.
look like a clown. Essentially, you could.
Yeah.
You could. There's potential
like with many
to look
other
like
things.
a clown.
Yeah. But contouring is, figure out if you need it. You know, if you look at your bone structure and you've already got, like, she got a strong, you know, like you've got a great jawline, you've got nice strong
Our producer
cheekbones.
here has a great
And she's got a very
jawline.
sharp
I don't have a
nose.
great
I
jawline
wouldn't
at
throw
all.
contours there.
But you think you'd contour my face?
Even you've got
No,
great
I don't
bone
have a
structure.
great.
There is great bone structure. I have good bone structure.
What about him?
Well, he's got baby fat. You can see it. But so I could contour that, yes, for sure. But like his nose doesn't need it. It's a sharp nose. It's
Oh,
just
so
a
if
little
it's
baby
sharp,
fat
you
in
don't
the
need
cheek.
contouring, is it?
You don't need it. What is
Contouring is to
adding
make it
shadow.
sharp. Okay.
Adding shadow, where shadow would naturally
And this,
fall.
I think, you need to study. You can't just like do like a quick fix.
No, you can do if you watch enough and you listen to
Yeah.
what, you know.
You have to like
What your
study.
skin
You have to
needs.
study it.
How long can it take? A day.
Listen, that's because you're in this industry. For us, I've not figured out
Watch
this
my
contouring.
tutorials and tell me if you don't get it.
Okay.
It's simple.
But then I need to get all those products also, no?
you don't.
No.
I'm not a product whore.
So then I'll have all this at home, you think? I
If
should.
you have a brown eyeshadow, yeah.
Yeah?
I mean,
I
it's
have
the
a
right
brown.
kind of brown.
I have
Not
a
just any brown.
eyeshadow. And finally, give us one makeup tool or like a product that you use differently from its original use.
I use transparent mascara for the brows.
Okay.
It was made for lashes for people that didn't want
Right.
color.
Yeah.
You know, especially for men.
So why do you use it for brows? I didn't
to
understand.
keep my brows up because it has a little glue quality
Oh.
to it as well.
yeah.
So it keeps the brows up, and I use it on my hairline or client's hairline basically.
To like
keep
push
baby
it up.
hairs away.
Oh, does that work for baby hair?
Yeah, and you can even, once your mascara is dried up, your transparent mascara, or even a regular mascara if it's dried up, and basically there's no product left, but you can take the wand, and if you have a hairspray, you spray the hairspray on the wand, and then you fix whatever you need to. Like my mustache is also with transparent mascara.
Oh.
See, others it won't stay up; it falls down naturally.
Oh, that's such a cool trick. I'm so glad I asked. Okay, so we're going to take a break now and we'll be right back with our rapid fire round. Stay tuned.
Finding the right drink at the right place can be a big challenge. Exploring a new destination to its fullest could be a daunting task.
So tune in every Friday and listen to the Drinks and Destinations podcast with Rajita and Samira, who introduce you to the world of fine wines, beer, spirits, and travel.
You can subscribe to us on iTunes, SoundCloud, Audioboom, or any other local podcast app.
And we're back for our rapid fire round with Elton Fernandez. Elton, are you ready?
Bring it on.
Okay. Your favorite Bollywood celebrity?
Bollywood. Oh God, I don't have a favorite.
Why?
Oh,
What do you mean?
I'm thinking.
What
Male
do
or
you mean?
female? Anybody?
Anyone. Come on, there has to be one.
Rekha.
That's really safe now.
But I really love her. I've spoken to her on the phone once, and I
Oh,
was
wow,
overwhelmed.
Elton.
We sang together on the phone.
What?
It's very.
This can't be a part of our rapid fire. Huh? We need to get into a deeper conversation about this
Sorry.
thing.
But it's
Singing it.
amazing. We sang her old movie songs.
You called her up and you sang with her
I
on the
didn't.
phone.
I was with Wendell Rodrigues in his house in Goa, and we were
You were
just
like,
talking.
I really like Rekha. I wanna-
Yeah, and it was her, and I said, okay, I'll call her, and he called her and put her on speakerphone, and we all sang, and she spoke to me. I was so happy.
Wow. Okay. If not makeup, what would your profession be?
I would be a singer.
Not an artist?
No, a singer. I wanted to be a singer.
Okay. Choose your favorite cosmetic brand and sell it to me.
Maybelline, New York.
Maybe you're born
Because
with it.
the tagline is now make
It's
it
changed.
happen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's make it happen.
Oh.
So it's about the modern woman now.
Oh, nice. Okay. It's not just what you're born with.
Yeah.
Worst dressed in Bollywood.
I'd have to say there are quite a few.
Really?
Yeah. All you need to
Why?
do is
They're
look
all
at
like
high
now,
heel.
they're all so perfect, yeah.
They look like dolls.
they look
Barbies.
like dolls,
It's so
but they're not
boring. Have a
badly
personality. To me, not having not having a unique style that's true to yourself is as good as dressing badly.
So tell me one, who you think is not true to their style.
Who's not true? There's so many. There's most of them are not. I'll tell you the ones that do look nice. How's that?
So tell me the best dress.
Okay, I love the best dress. I mean, to me, I think my Monica Dogra she has in true style.
Yeah.
She doesn't need a stylist as such, a true style. There's also people like Kangana has great style, but a lot of times I feel like it's so put together.
Kangana's, you think?
She's great and she's lovely. I'm a big fan of hers. I want to work with her.
Yeah.
But I've never worked with her. But I just feel like it looks curated at times.
Right.
Like I want to see one person. I mean, you're one personality by yourself. You're one human being
But
at the end of the day.
it's got to be curated, yeah, with their lifestyles and stuff. They're not going to go out and do it themselves.
Say, for example, what's her name? Blake Lively.
Huh.
Right? You know what Blake Lively's style is?
Yeah.
Does she waver from it? Is she suddenly this and then suddenly that and then she comes as Black Swan
No,
and then she'll come...
very elegant.
There's a boho.
Yeah.
She's boho, but
Yeah.
she's glamorous, but boho, but
Yeah.
chill. And
Always.
very young and fun,
Yeah,
modern,
yeah.
edgy.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
How
Here
should
it's everybody's everything.
Yeah, you think? How should one go about choosing foundation? It's an important question.
You swatch, what is this called when you do this motion?
You swish your hand,
swatch.
finger, whatever.
Yeah,
Swatch your hand.
Okay, so you take a pump of foundation, you swatch it on your jawline.
Huh.
If you're a woman and you don't have facial hair, then you swatch it on your jawline because that's where your skin is a neutral color. And if after just gliding it across twice, if it doesn't melt and disappear into your skin, it's the wrong color.
Oh, okay. So it's
Don't
not...
rub. Madam, देखो जाता है. Madam, देखो ना और rub करो इसको massage करो. Doesn't work.
Okay.
Just with a swipe, a couple
So you have to
swipes
try
of your
a few
finger.
and then you have to see which one
Yes.
is the...
It
in
should
terms of
brighten
color
you a
as
little
well.
bit, but not change you and whiten you.
Yeah. So how would you handle a situation where someone wants a makeup style that's not suitable to them? I'm sure that's happened.
See, if I feel like it makes the person happy and confident, then I'm happy to do blue lips on you. It's fine. It doesn't have to be logical to me.
Yeah.
If it makes you happy and confident, then I'm happy to give that to you. So
Okay. Wow. Empowerment,
yeah,
acceptance.
and it has to be a meeting of two minds.
Okay. 3 words that best describe you.
Sincere, ambitious, and hardworking.
Okay, nice. One thing no one knows about you.
That I'm great in bed.
No one knows that.
They all know.
Really?
Yeah, everybody knows. What does somebody not know about me? That I'm not a party person at all.
Oh, really?
Everyone thinks I like to go
You're a
out.
homebody.
I'm a home guy. I like to clean. I feel like I was a cleaner in my last life.
Okay. Your go-to makeup look?
Would be great skin.
Yeah. Your favorite holiday destination?
I haven't been to any. I'm not a big. I
Not into
wasn't
holidays.
brought up like that in the luxe upper class family
No,
to
but
travel
you can
so
always
much.
dream.
But the places I've been to, I love New York, and I really love New York. Actually, what a city!
Yeah.
What a city!
It's fabulous.
It's a real state of mind.
Yeah.
And I mean, if it was I like tropical destinations, so
Beachy places.
then I'd say the Maldives.
Yeah.
But I don't want to be thunk down with global warming after some decades, so I'd rather
Yeah.
stay up in the hills. I don't
Okay.
know.
Your style icon, and don't say Rekha now.
No, she's not a style icon for me. But my style icon would be, I like Prince, the artist formerly known as Prince.
Yeah. Your hair is kind of like him right now.
I've grown up, having
Yeah.
him as somebody to look up to.
How often do you clean your makeup tools?
My brushes and everything get cleaned every time I use them. So
Okay.
my team will clean them every single time.
Okay. How do you handle criticism?
With open consideration and
To your work specifically?
a decreased ego. I'll not say minimal,
Yeah.
because I'm an artist. At the end of the day, I'm a creative person. I have an ego.
Yeah.
But you decrease it to a base level.
Okay. OTT or minimalism?
Minimalism with an edge.
With,
To make
with
it a little
winged
modern.
eyeliner.
Yeah, some edge. Or glitter on
Favorite
the mouth.
lipstick color?
Right now, glitter on the mouth.
Like you
but
said.
I think I like a gold on the mouth. I don't know.
Like
Gold,
wow, like a
real
dull
gold.
gold or
No,
like,
like just a gold.
like bright gold.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Whose makeup is easier, men's or women's?
Easier? I'd have to say men's. Boring men's.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Your favorite red carpet look?
Would have to be tailored to my model's personality and wardrobe.
Most bizarre makeup that you've done?
God, would have to be on myself during my learning years. I've gone out looking purple, green, everything but brown.
On your eyes and
no,
everything?
my skin.
What do you mean?
Gross. Everybody gets
You
foundation
put
wrong,
purple
and I did too.
foundation on your face?
Going too light, being photographed in a strange light, looking purple. Yeah,
Okay.
mistakes.
Favorite fashion designer?
In India, I love a few. I love 1111 Cell Design.
Okay.
I think Himanshu and Mia have an incredible aesthetic. So I love, but I like that kind of organic. I recently bought a suit from Gaurav Jai Gupta, Akaro. His brand is Akaro.
Of course, yeah.
And it's a hand-woven
Beautiful.
Indian handicraft,
Yeah,
suit.
yeah.
It's a gold and black weave suit, hand-woven suit.
Yeah. And finally, what makes you smile?
My partner.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
He
so
really
sweet.
does. Mhm.
Oh, do you want to give his name?
Aditya.
Lovely. Well, Elton, thank you so much. You were an absolute riot, and it was so good talking to you and getting to know you.
Thank
and
you.
wish you lots of success and
Thank you.
happiness.
Thank
more
you.
than
Yeah,
anything
that's
else.
more important.
See you
And
soon.
you too.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again. You can stay in touch with us on Facebook at Stylogram Official and on Instagram at Stylogram_official. You can also subscribe to us on iTunes, SoundCloud, or Audioboom. See you soon.
Our podcasts bring all the boys to the yard, and damn right, they're better than yours. But you don't need to stand outside in the yard. Just follow IVM Podcasts on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We might be on Tinder too. Just go ahead and swipe right.